Covered put, a tackle trading glossary video. A covered put, by definition, is a bearish strategy that consists in shorting an underlying security while selling an out-of-the-money put option against it, generating a limited reward, unlimited risk strategy, since there is no limit to how high the stock price can be at expiration. The strategy is also considered the short version of the covered call. It's a bearish strategy with unlimited risk and limited reward. The risk profile of a covered put shows the visual description of that risk and reward dynamic. You'll notice on the left side there is a cap on the profitability area in the trade, and on the right side of the graph, as it's pointing straight down, you have unlimited loss. Essentially, if the stock price goes up a long ways, you will lose more and more. And if it goes down, you do have limited potential profit from the trade. The reason why traders use a covered put scenario is to generate the cash flow from selling the put option as well. This is a tackle trading video presented by TackleTrading.com. Learn, trade, connect, succeed. Join us in TackleTrading.com. Become a pro member at bit.ly/joinTacklePro.